Welcome back to our Spring Boot tutorial series. In this video, we'll dive into two crucial data interchange formats, JSON and XML. These formats are widely used for data exchange between different systems. Understanding them is essential for working with data in Spring Boot applications.
So, what is JSON?
JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight data interchange format. It's easy for humans to read and write, and it's easy for machines to parse and generate. JSON is primarily used to transmit data in web applications. First, let's talk about the basics. A JSON object always starts with an open curly bracket and ends with a close curly bracket. Inside these brackets, you'll find pairs of keys and values, kind of like items in a labeled box. Let's take a look at this example. Now, let's break this down step by step. Keys are always in double quotes. They are like labels, unique and case-sensitive. Values can be a string, number, boolean, array, or even another JSON object. If the value is a string, it's enclosed in double quotes. As you can see, the first key is name and its value is John Doe. Both the key and the value are in double quotes because the value is a string. Next, we have age and its value is 30. Since age is a number, it doesn't need double quotes.
Easy, right?
Moving on, we see a student, and its value is false. This is a Boolean value, representing true or false. Then, we have courses, which is a list of multiple courses. In JSON, we call this an JSON array. A JSON array starts with a square bracket and can contain any type of value, including strings, numbers, or even other JSON objects. Finally, we come to address. The value of address is another JSON object because it starts with a curly bracket and ends with a curly bracket. This nested object contains its own key value pairs like street and city. Let's recap. JSON objects start and end with curly brackets. Inside, we have key value pairs, separated by commas. Keys are always in double quotes. Values can be strings, in double quotes, numbers, booleans, arrays, or other JSON objects. Let's talk about XML. XML, or Extensible Markup Language, is a markup language that defines rules for encoding documents in a format that is both human-readable and machine-readable. XML is designed to store and transport data. XML documents start with an XML declaration. The document has a single root element, in this case, person. Multiple root elements are not allowed. Inside the root element, there are child elements like name, age, is student, courses, and address. Elements can contain other elements, like courses containing multiple course elements. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets, and the data is placed between opening and closing tags. JSON supports different data types such as strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and objects. XML represents all data as text within elements or attributes. JSON is often used for web APIs due to its simplicity. XML is used where document structure and extensibility are important, like in configuration files and web services. Understanding JSON and XML is crucial for working with data in Spring Boot applications. JSON is preferred for its simplicity and efficiency, while XML is useful for more complex data structures. In our next video, we'll dive into how to build RESTful services using these data formats in Spring Boot. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.